Hello, Louisa, darling.
Hello,
Isn't it absolutely divine to be back together again after holiday? And Elizabeth,
Such a
Countess, so lovely to
long
see
time
you.
since we've all been together.
And to enjoy a lovely English tea. It's beautiful.
There's nothing quite like it.
I
Very
hear you're in
China
Nice. I mean, I'm sure they do not
Yes.
do afternoon tea like this in Nice.
Not quite the
No,
same. They are French.
I did hear on the grapevine that Ernest took you to the Negresco.
Oh, I don't really want to talk about it, but he did actually. Yes.
Did you
It was
enjoy it?
something- I did. Ernest's very kind.
Is he?
Very kind. Have you not met him?
No,
Oh, he's quite divine. Quite divine. Have you been holidaying this year?
I had. I didn't go as far as Nice this time.
Countess, where did you go?
Oh, poor Albert had such a bad time with his gout. We went to Norfolk only. Oh, we had to take him round in the bath chair. But never mind.
You
we had
did
nice
call him at
times.
Sandringham, did you?
Oh, yes, yes.
Darling.
Oh,
my
I bet you had a lovely
We
afternoon
were
tea
very
there.
well received indeed.
Well, of course, I went down to my place in Cornwall.
Oh, did you?
And
How
you
lovely
can't
was
beat
it?
the teas down there.
Oh gosh,
Mm.
clotted cream.
Beautiful.
They
Absolutely
know,
beautiful.
they know where to put the jam and the clotted cream, don't
They just know how
Daisy,
to.
could you pass the sandwich, darling, please?
Certainly. I must say the weather was chilly though. I did.
Thank you so much.
I did think.
Anyone
I might
else?
like a cucumber before I have my
Sandwich
scone.
or-
I think.
Oh.
Okay. You know, one must watch.
Oh, I know.
This is very true.
A moment on the lips is a lifetime on the hips.
Oh yes, you
Indeed.
tell me about
No,
it.
thank you, dear.
Absolutely. What a lovely tea party.
And the weather was good in Nice.
Absolutely splendid. Yes, you know, one
I
can't.
sometimes find it rather hot and sticky.
Yes, well, I had my little parasol, so didn't catch too much sun. Absolutely
Well,
lovely.
it's, at least it's better than this awful drizzle we've had for the last 2 or 3 weeks here. It has been so depressing.
Absolutely dreadful.
Awful for the garden.
Dreadful.
Yes,
Nothing to
my roses are just being ruined by the splatter of raindrops on them.
Gosh, how awful. That's terrible. What about you, Elizabeth? How's your garden?